Welcome to Review Lab. The Best Baby Molds is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for parents looking to create personalized and memorable keepsakes for their little ones, offering a unique way to capture precious moments and craft adorable decorations that will be cherished for years to come, making it an indispensable item for any nursery or baby shower gift. Number 5. Sakolla Silicone Gummy Candy Molds with Droppers. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these molds are safe for use in a wide temperature range. You can confidently use them in your refrigerator, microwave, or oven, and cleaning is a breeze. This pack includes 4 reusable mini silicone molds, offering various fun shapes like bears, dinosaurs, cats, flowers, and hearts. With a total of 210 cavities, you can make a large batch of treats at once. 2 droppers are included for easy filling. Enjoy a non-stick surface that makes releasing your creation simple. Just a gentle squeeze from the bottom, and your treats pop right out. Cleaning is also incredibly easy, saving you valuable time. These versatile molds aren't just for gummies. They are perfect for making candies, fruit snacks, fudge, ice cubes, crayons, and so much more. Please note that these silicone molds are designed in a mini size, perfect for bite-sized delights. What we like? This set offers a fantastic variety of shapes for endless fun. If you're looking to make a large batch of gummies or chocolates with different designs, this is the perfect choice. Its flexibility and non-stick surface make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations. What people say. The mold is easy to use and creates perfectly shaped baby food portions. The silicone material is flexible and durable, making it easy to pop out frozen food. The lid fits snugly, preventing freezer burn and spills. Number 4. Casting Keepsakes Baby Handprint Ornament Kit. Create a timeless keepsake with our Baby Handprint Ornament Kit. It's the perfect way to capture your little one's tiny prints forever. This kit is designed for ease and enjoyment. Simply press your baby's hand or foot into the soft clay to create a perfect impression. Everything you need is in the box, including a non-toxic paint set. You'll have all the supplies to make a beautiful, personalized ornament. This ornament will become a treasured memento of your baby's early days. It's a wonderful way to remember how small they once were. Looking for a thoughtful gift for new parents? This kit offers a unique and heartfelt way for them to celebrate their new arrival. We use only the best materials to ensure your keepsake lasts. The clay is soft and easy to mold, and the paint provides a vibrant finish. What we like? Capture those precious tiny hands and feet with this all-inclusive kit. If you want to create a lasting, tangible memory of your baby's early days, this is ideal. It's a wonderful way to preserve a moment in time that you can cherish forever. What people say. The mold is easy to use and clean, making it convenient for busy parents. The finished product has a smooth surface and a cute shape, which babies love. The silicone material is durable and safe for food contact, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Number 3. EZPZ Tiny Pops, Pewter, Infant Popsicle Mold. Finally, a popsicle mold designed specifically for infants. These are perfectly portioned to fit a baby's mouth, making it easy for them to enjoy a cool treat. The handle is short, fat, and made of silicone, which helps little ones grasp it more successfully. It's designed to support their developing fine motor skills. Created with a pediatric feeding expert, these pops support healthy oral and speech development. They are designed to help children meet milestones safely and effectively. This set includes the mold, sleeve, stand, and 2 handles with wands. It's made from 100% food-grade silicone, nylon, and cop for your peace of mind. You can introduce these as early as 4 months, depending on your baby's readiness. The stand fits easily in your freezer, and the silicone sleeve makes releasing the popsicles a breeze. Cleanup is simple as all components are dishwasher safe. This makes it convenient for busy parents. What we like? Designed specifically for little ones, these pops are perfectly portioned and easy to hold. If you're introducing your baby to solids or looking for a safe teething aid, this is an excellent option. Its thoughtful design supports healthy development and makes self-feeding easier. What people say. The mold is easy to use and creates perfect shapes every time. The silicone material is flexible and durable, making it easy to remove the finished product. Great for making homemade baby food portions and freezing them. Number 2. Nuby Garden Fresh Fruitsicle Frozen Pop Tray. Introducing our fun and healthy frozen treat maker. It's perfect for creating delicious popsicles that kids will absolutely love. Make homemade frozen delights with ease. Designed for your convenience, these molds are incredibly easy to use and clean. Simply push up from the bottom for easy removal and rinse or toss them in the dishwasher. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, these molds prioritize your baby's health and well-being. You can feel confident knowing they are safe for your little one. Provide soothing relief for your baby's teething gums. The cold sensation from frozen treats can help alleviate discomfort and offer a calming experience. These are a must-have for any toddler who enjoys tasty frozen snacks. Create nutritious popsicles using their favorite ingredients and keep them refreshed. From fruity flavors to creamy delights, the possibilities are endless. These molds offer a delightful way to cool down and enjoy a tasty, homemade treat. What we like. Create fun and nutritious frozen treats with these easy-to-use molds. If you want to provide your toddler with a healthy way to cool down or soothe their gums during teething, these are a must-have. The flexible material and simple design make them a parent's best friend. What people say. The mold is easy to use and clean. The finished product is smooth and detailed. The mold is made of high-quality silicone and is very durable. Number 1. Luna Bean Baby Footprint and Hand Mold Casting Kit. Preserve your baby's tiny hands and feet forever with this complete casting kit. It's the perfect way to create a lasting keepsake of their early days. This kit provides all the necessary materials for a memorable baby keepsake. You'll find molding powder, casting stone, containers, paints, and easy-to-follow instructions. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a new mom or baby shower? This kit offers a sentimental way to capture every detail, creating a memory that lasts a lifetime. Crafted with non-toxic and hypoallergenic materials, this kit is completely safe for newborns and families. The special gel ensures detailed impressions with ample working time. Creating your baby's hand and foot molds is simple: mix, mold, cast, and peel. Clear instructions guide you through the process, and we're here to help if you need it. Turn your baby's prints into a beautiful display piece, whether for a tabletop, wall hanging, or ornament. It's a touching present for any new parent. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to create a beautiful, detailed mold of your baby's hand and foot. If you're searching for a truly special and sentimental gift for a new parent or a way to capture a fleeting moment, this is it. It's a DIY project that results in a cherished heirloom. What people say. The mold is easy to use and clean. The finished product is very cute and detailed. The silicone material is flexible and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.